Hello everyone, Team Jaggers here, and today we have another video, and in this video I'll be reviewing the Brainwavz S0s. And over the past month I really felt like I got to put them to the test, so I will tell you how they coped after the intro. So before we move on, if you haven't seen the unboxing video for the Brainwavz S0s, I will leave the link in the description below for you guys to check out.
To start things off, let's talk about the build quality. The all-metal housing and the flat tangle-free cable provide a sleek look and feel, as well as long-lasting durability. The Brainwavz S0 also have rubber protection just below the earphones and just above the headphone jack for extra durability. The Clearways inline mic/remote has a 3-button control, which enables users to make audio phone calls as well as audio playback easier to control with maximum performance and precision. The Clearways inline mic/remote also supports Android and Apple iOS products. Now, what accessories come with the earphones? Well, a fair few. You get 6 sets of silicone ear tips, small, medium, large, 1 set of Comply foam tips, S0, which are the best premium foam ear tips that can be found and provides for perfect seals and enhanced bass response, said by Brainwavz themselves. 1 shirt clip, 1 set of silicone bi-flange ear tips, 1 set of silicone tri-flange ear tips, Velcro cable tie, and earphone hard case to put all those accessories in. The Brainwavz S0 has a great build quality and lots of accessories, but how do they really sound? Well, they sound very nice. They don't have a ton of bass, but they have just the right amount. I love bass, so I went to the settings and turned the bass up all the way, and they sound way better, but you have to turn up the volume a bit more than normal. The sound is very clear, even at higher volumes. If you use the Comply foam tips and turn the volume up to about 85%, you become isolated in your own music world, even in noisier places like the train or crowded places. The silicone ear tips are also good, but do not isolate the noise very well, and are not so good for running. I used the Brainwavz S0 while running and found that the foam tips work reasonably well, but I had to readjust them every 10 minutes because they felt like they were about to fall out. Then I tried putting the cable around my ear first and then into my ear. That way they stayed in as long as I needed to. So now for the cost. The Brainwavz S0 usually costs just under $45 but got as low as $23 on the 27th of March of this year on Amazon. In conclusion, the Brainwavz S0 are one of my favorite earphones I have ever tried. Using the Comply foam tips was my favorite way to listen to them. Anywhere at any time, I was able to zone out and just focus on what really mattered, just me and my music. So are the Brainwavz S0 really worth just under $45? Well, yes. With the amount of accessories that come with the Brainwavz S0, the great build quality and fantastic sound, these are really worth picking up, especially if you can get them for $23.
So that'll be all from me today. If you enjoyed this video, then please smash that thumbs up button, and if you want to see more videos like this one, then don't forget to click that subscribe button. And I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye!